ANSA Group, promoted by Mr. Virendra Singh Patil, is one of the growing infrastructure development companies in India, having pioneered the development mainly in the sector of women health and care, solid waste management, roads, and eco-friendly environment via electrical vehicle. Our vision is to keep on pioneering and setting new benchmarks for infrastructure sector projects in India. Our mission is to improve the lives of people by providing pollution-free environment and to be a leader in the creation, development and management of infrastructures, energy and water services, contributing actively to social well-being, sustainable development and the creation of value for our stakeholders. Sanjeevani Projects is on a mission to maximize the use of natural resources while minimizing and even eliminating environmental impacts so that both our economy and our environment can prosper. We have experts from different domains who dedicatedly work on assigned projects to cater different kind of services with intentions to help society to live in a healthy environment and to help us to achieve our dreams. Disposal of unused and expired medicines. We are a NGO registered under Bombay Public Trust Act 1950 and Indian Society Registration Act 1860 on all India level. Organization is liable for CSR funds with the help of implementer agency. This activity will minimize the expense on local authorities and also on state government. Basically, we are working in the field of healthcare and it is very essential to reduce pollution for our healthy society. Percentage of generation of unused medicines. 66% of pharmaceutical waste are generated from households, 13% from community pharmacy and 20% from hospital pharmacy from year 2009 to 2015 in SSEA regions. In most of the cases, liquid pharmaceuticals were disposed via toilet, sink, and solid dosage forms were discarded via trash bins. Average percentage of patients in India. 40% of patients are of diabetes, 25% blood pressure, 10% of tumor, 5% of cancer, 5% heart, 5% of paralysis, 3% kidney patient, 5% other and 2% above age of 40 are normal. This pie chart shows the number of regulated medical waste and unregulated medical waste. So 10 to 25% are of regulated medical waste and unregulated medical waste is 75 to 90%. Objectives of our project. To survey the total medicine sold by distributors to chemists in KMC. To take survey of quantity, quality and fixation of responsibility of brand owners to participation for disposal of unused medicines, its strips, liquids, syrup and injections and non-biodegradable packaging products manufactured and imported by pharmaceutical companies and importers, and to fix the financial charges on them to make system for scientific and safe disposal. To collect financial charges fixed on behalf of KMC, to conduct total solution for management of unused medicines and its non-biodegradable waste, to make a system to collect unused expired medicines from household, chemists and hospitals and various residential complexes with society, pathologist and all the elements who is related with medicines, to arrange awareness campaign for segregation of unused expired medical waste to destroy it as per international norms. It is to note that with increase in consumption of medicines, number of hospital and pharmaceuticals, the amount of medical waste is increasing and so awareness about drug disposal needs to be enhanced. Through several dimensions of environmental risk have been created by the improper disposal of medicines, such as a very minor level of ethyl estradiol in water can cause impaired sexual development and feminization of fishes. This is also a reason to reduce many species of fish in sea. It is very simple example that 11 out of 58 species in Thane speaks are survived today. Other 47 species are totally finished. Still, implementation of proper drug disposal remains dismal because many countries still do not have standard medication disposal protocols. The existing acts and rule in India in the medicine sector from end user to manufacturer and brand owner has been fixed their responsibility to use medicines and make adequate destroy system for unused and expired medicines. The decentralization of unused medicines collecting system will make through collection center at end users, chemists and all elements related to use of medicines. The separate collection system with locking facility will be provided to collect unused and expired medicines to each housing society, industrial establishment and hospitals and its related entities. The collection and destroy charges of these medicines will be charged to each households, chemist and to each establishment separately as per uses of medicines. The charges of collection, handling, transportation, segregation and destroying will be charged differently as per uses and its content. The charges will be decided with the consent of corporation. How to dispose unused medicines? So the disposal of unused medicines is shown in the chart. The drug manufactures the medicines and then it is sent to pharmacies via distributors. So the pharmacists sell it to patient. So directly and indirectly the drugs can cause pollution, that is of surface water, groundwater, soil and plants via different sources. These unsafe methods can lead to pollution and there is an option of safe disposal. So safe disposal of pharmaceuticals, medicines or unused medicines can be done by incineration. Hence, incineration is known as the safe disposal method for unused medicines. To practice this method of safe disposal, awareness campaign is really important. The NGO will mainly vote for organizing seminars by environmental scientists, physicians, pharmacists, which might help to raise awareness to mass community. Moreover, doctor, nurses and hospitals and community pharmacists can also be enlightened through campaigns, workshop. Along with this awareness through electronic media and newspaper can be appeared as more preferable. So, incineration is a safe disposal method of unused and expired medicines which can help us to make environment clean and free from pollution. Thank you.